Hi, observing the slide for acid fast bacilli, but got Nocardia. What a amazing, isn't it? So know a little about this case. A clinician checked 75 years male patient having sign and symptoms of pulmonary tuberculosis and thus advised him to provide sputum for acid fast bacilli stain. No acid fast bacilli seen, but there is a structure resembling Nocardia observed, and that is why modified acid fast bacilli stain was performed for Nocardia. And this type of structures were seen. Here we can see nocardial structure, this one, partially acid fast, isn't it? So let's watch the full clip. Here you can see partially acid fast, this one, here you can see nocardial structures, this one. Here is the beautiful structure, here you can see nocardial structures, isn't it? This one, here you can see nocardial structure. This is the zoomed view, this is the zoomed view. Isn't it beautiful? This is the nocardial structure. On the basis of this report, patient was treated with Co-trimoxazole and he was benefited. After 3 months, his sputum again tested, but there was lacking this type of structures. I hope this information will be helpful. Therefore,